the situation of this encounter. Crooked passion is the belief that this will never happen again. Take a position to the unavoidable side, and the viable to take me on. Revoke the mission, terminate him. We once stood where we belong, just you and I. I scream in silence. It's made out in a memory. And destroy the blueprints of this message. Now, along with my righteous ways, bring the times along with you. Becoming stronger every second, every hour. Matches us fight. I will show you this dark secret. Now I stand, losing the rotation.